8 weeks ago, I began an incredible adventure that has taken me to nowhere but my home, my backyard, and occasionally a quick run to the stores to stock up. And since then, it has consumed all of me. The thought of being free, being out exploring, learning, experiencing and living, it seems a million days away. The lockdown in Cape Town has given me a moment to pause for contemplation, and I've used it to take inventory on what's not only important to me, but also to realize that things I thought were important are actually somewhat irrelevant when looking at the bigger picture. Of course, it hasn't all been plain sailing. Seeing so much non-essential activity on the streets outside, it was something I did not expect at times. Cars cluttering main roads in our area, others on their way to ignore socializing rules. But I've actually decided that rather than judging others as not being perfect enough, we can be proud of how we've coped in our bubbles over the last few weeks instead. As neighbors to each other, we don't have a choice but to address the common good of our little group. And I've realized that our little group has been amazing. The residents of Burgundy estate, Bothasig, and the surrounding areas have all been willing to respond to new and challenging contexts, and the national lockdown has been no exception. When the time comes, it's going to be weird knowing that it's over. The drop from level 5 to level 4 gave us a little bit of extra freedom to explore and play, and I've been grateful for that. I've turned a year older during the lockdown, and didn't get to see my mom on Mother's Day. But however draining and damaging we think this is, we have to carry on as we have been doing for the past few weeks. Now is the time not to think about ourselves, but to be compassionate and thoughtful for those who are at risk. Let this incredible adventure continue. Take care and stay home.